Welcome to Russ Krachun Kozak Horsemanship. I would like to personally invite you to a private clinic, Riding Resistance Free. In this clinic, I will be sharing the methods of the Kozak horsemanship of how to ride resistance free with 5 participants who are passionate and who are also interested in learning the methods of the Kozak horsemanship. This clinic private and open to only 5 participants. Each participant will receive my full attention. Each day of the clinic will be divided in 3 segments with breaks to ensure a healthy learning atmosphere is maintained for both horse and student. I will explain to my student that getting the pressure along does not educate horse to become soft and supple, and will not educate horse to ride resistance free. In my methods involve step-by-step exercises that connect to each other by using proper repetitions, proper timing, and periods of relaxation to develop the muscle memory in the horse body and educate the horse to become soft and supple. Horses educated using these methods will not longer be stiff or tense without understanding, will become willing, responsive, soft and supple, and will ride resistance free. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.